Hi, I'm Gabriella Osumawei, and I am passionate about helping women overcome fear, build unshakable confidence, and rise as bold leaders right where God has planted them. On this channel, you'll find faith-based teachings, real conversations, and practical tools to help you rediscover your identity, embrace your voice, and walk boldly in purpose. This isn't just about motivation. It's about transformation. Because when you grow from the inside out, you become who God created you to be. Bold, free, and spirit-led. If that speaks to your heart, subscribe and let's rise together in purpose, in confidence, and in grace. Thank you.